Right now, I am on my way to Pittman, New Jersey to drop off my van to get my wrap. I got Miss Mossy following me, and we're going to do the drop off, and I'll get the shots of the company that's doing my wrap. The next step in the process of rebranding my company and getting a fresh look moving forward, becoming more professional, all that good stuff. So stay tuned and we will see you there. How did I beat her here? Roll your window down. There's Miss Marcy. There's the last shot of the plain van. Been driving around naked. Now it's ready. Let's get her done. Until Wednesday, baby. We'll see you then. First step in the rebrand is going to be removing our old brand. End of an era, but moving forward with some good changes coming forward. We're going to let the wrap company take care of the sides. They're going to peel this stuff right off. We're just taking off the front and the back to make sure we don't need no quick body work on the truck itself for the new wrap. So that's why we're doing this portion ourselves. What we want to do is we're going to get down to the metal. Like here could be a rough spot underneath, little cancer right here, and we're just going to get it sanded out when we get down to the metal. And in the meantime, Angelo's going to take the wrap off while me and CB2 go make a couple dollars to pay for this. Today's a big day. We're dropping off the truck to get wrapped today. Picking up my other truck that's already completed. It's time to get it done. Fresh brand coming. We've been driving around naked with this thing like this. Angelo took off the wrap. Now today's the big day. We're going to get it done. Good afternoon, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. And today, I'm glad to announce I'm heading to pick up my new van. Stay tuned and we'll see you there. And while I'm going there, I'm going in my old van here. I'm going to drop this off, let them do this van, and then of course, pick up the new van. Stay tuned and we'll see you when we get there. First of all, I am totally stoked. Check this joker out. Bang. Design wraps out of Pittman, New Jersey. Did the wrap. Marcy no pictures. She's getting the live shot when I come down the street. That's gonna be the call right there. No pics. So I am really stoked on this van. Wow. I want to give another shout out to Dan and his team up there at Kick Charge. Branding at its best. Really appreciate it. I want to give you guys a personal shout out. I'm really stoked, and thank you all. Now let's go show Marcy if we're going to get the real-time reaction. How's it look?
It's so good. It's so good.
I'll see you around the house.
I want to take a picture. It looks so good. Looks really good.
Just got the word that Miss Marcy is right around the corner with the new van. Going to bring it in, and we're going to get the shots, folks. Stay tuned. Here she comes. Oh yeah, look at this joker. We're loud and proud now, folks. Check it out. She's gonna put it right in the shop. Bring it home, mama. She's all teeth. It looks awesome.